All right, here we go. The newest, latest, greatest UFO sighting, North Dakota, 2020. Now, we're going to see a man in his vehicle, okay, filming what appears to be a UFO. Okay, he's going to zoom in. We got a big ball of light. A lot of fog, definitely a lot of fog going on. For some reason, some weird jump cuts, maybe a little editing going on there. Some overlays there to get the, I guess that vintage look. I don't know why they would add special effects to a UFO sighting, but you see this round disc-shaped object floating around the UFO community as a disc-shaped craft. UFO, hit me up on Patreon. Send me your money. Share my video. Now, let's get into what this actually is, okay? Bam, right there. Now, driving up Interstate 45 or 59 where I live, Houston, Texas, you can see these lights everywhere. Now, right there, I tilted it sideways and made it appear to have a little bit of exhaust coming out of the bottom. You know, a little flare. We all like a little flare, right? Look, guys, the UFO community, you've got to stop doing this. You know, people get mad at me when I debunk videos, but my God, you have to stop. I mean, how can you look at that original video and think that is an alien craft, you know, from somewhere within our universe? I mean, it is clearly, you know, it's actually called a DOT lamp, is what we call them in Texas. Department of Transportation, DOT, they service our highways. Now, in Houston, we get a lot of fog. Okay, if you watch the original video, there's a lot of fog. I couldn't find a picture with fog, but I made that one there. That looks like an awesome UFO, but in fact, it's a light. But we have a lot of fog, so anytime, you know, we're driving up, like, you know, Interstate 45 or Highway 59 around, like, the ship channel, you see these lamps, okay, and there's, you know, usually 20, 30, 40, even hundreds of them going from, like, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. And again, if there's fog, it looks like, you know, UFOs up in the sky. And I've even taken pictures of them. But that's clearly what this is. Now, again, I'm sorry, guys. I know people get mad at me when I talk about this, but, you know, I just don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I'm just really disappointed in the UFO community. I mean, they know damn good and well this is not an alien craft, but yet, you know, they're trying to pass it off as that. You know, and here's my Patreon, here's my PayPal, channel donation, super chat. Whoa, we got it. Oh my God, here it is. Holy crap. You know, disclosure is here. It's just like, come on, man. It makes me want to shut my channel down. I mean, to be completely honest, I'm being honest. Like, what am I even doing this for? You know, the serious UFO research, when you have channels putting out this kind of stuff, getting, you know, millions of views. You know, so I don't know. Maybe I should just turn into a clickbait channel. And again, people get pissed when I talk about it, but I don't care anymore. I don't care. These guys are frauds. And, you know, and not all of them. I mean, fortunately, you know, we still have a lot of really good channels out there. When I say these guys are frauds, I'm referring to the clickbait UFO community, UFOs for cash, you know, so, and it's very, very profitable. You know, I could easily, you guys know, I know what I'm doing on here. I could easily create a channel and probably make a lot of money on it, you know, with fake UFOs, but that's not what we're about it. But again, I'm sorry, you know, look, people get mad at me when I do this. Again, I don't care anymore. I really don't. It's getting very frustrating to see channels that I admire putting out this kind of clickbait. So, all right, guys, have a good one.